Hi, this is Sean from Martell's Coins, and today we got back our latest submission from Pcgs. So today we just got back our latest submission of PCGS, a bunch of nice Morgan dollars and some Mercury dimes, a variety of different coins. And to my surprise, I guess this is a new PCGS 35th anniversary box, which is hard to see on the screen, but it's like a neon green color, pretty sharp. All right, so let's go to a close-up view and let's check out these coins. So we got a bunch of silver dollars, some better date stuff, some key date Mercury dimes. So let's check it out. Pretty neat new box that they came out with. All right. Got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 coin submission. All right. First coin up is a 1900 O. But this is a special 1900 O. This is a 1900 O over CC. And on the bottom you can see a couple of little marks that look like a CC behind that O. So it's a nice variety, top 100 variety. Very sought after coin. And this one came back from PCGS as MS64. So very happy about this. I bought this originally in a Morgan dollar set, and they had this coin for the 1900 O spot, which is pretty nice. All right, next coin up, we have an 1879 and it's an 1879S. But what you notice is different than this 79S, the normal 79S's. It's got the shorter feather, top feather on the arrows, which makes it the reverse of 1878, excuse me. So it's a reverse of 1878, even though it's an 1879. And this came back from PCGS as MS63. So a nice white original coin. Another variety. Next up is another variety. This is another 1879 S. Again, with the reverse being a 78. And this one came back PCGS MS62. So we got a 63 and a 62. So very nice Unk variety Morgan dollars. And we got another 1878 here with a little flash to the fields, as you can see. On the reverse also. And this is 1878 seven tail feather MS62 PL. A little bit of mirror finish makes it a proof-like coin. This one, semi-key date, got an 1898S, again with fields being proof-like, as you can see the flash right there. So, and this one came back from PCGS as MS64PL. So very happy about this grade. And these are all first-time submissions. These are all original raw coins that I bought in different collections at our retail coin shop. Very nice coin. Next up, 1882 Carson City. Nice little flash in the back. And this one came back MS64 PL. So very nice original Carson City Morgan dollar. Next, we got a better key date coin. The more rare of the one of the rare CCs. This is an 1892 CC. Again, originally was just a raw coin, first time submission. And this came back MS63. So very nice grade for a harder to get Carson City Morgan dollar. This one, 1890. Again, mirror fields on the background. 1890 CC. And this one came back on detail, which I'm kind of disappointed on. Like I said, this is just a first time submission. So I'm probably going to take this one, crack it out, and send it to NGC and see what they think about it. Because I was guessing this would, hopefully come back as a PL. So we'll send it to NGC, and I'll post in a future video what NGC thinks about it. Next up, 1883 Carson City Morgan dollar. Again, very flashy fields. Almost like a mirror. On the reverse, very beautiful. Nice contrast between the eagle and the background. And this one came back 63 dimple. So, very nice grade, especially with that dimple added to it. Next up, another semi-key date Carson City Morgan dollar. This is an 1878 CC. Nice original luster. Gorgeous reverse. And this one came back MS63. So very nice grade. This next one, I knew it wasn't grade too high, but I love the little rainbow toning on the edge. It was very sharp. And then also, it had flashy fields to it. Reverse also, a little crescent toning on it. And then this one came back a 62, but a PL. And it's got very beautiful original colors to it, as you can see right there. Nice little rim toning. So very happy about that one. Another semi-key date Morgan dollar. This is an 1887 S. So an 1887 S Morgan dollar. And this one came back 63 PL. So very nice coin for a semi-key date Morgan. Another semi-key date Morgan. We got an 1886 S. Very sharp. Nice little cartwheel luster to it. Same as reverse. And this one came back 63. So nice grade. Hoping for a 64, but maybe I'll send something like this to CAC and see what they say about it. Another semi-key date Morgan. We got an 1889 S. Nice original luster. Nice cartwheel luster. And this one came back from Pcgs as MS63. So very nice grade. Nice coin. And our last Morgan dollar of this submission is a 1891 CC. And it's got little flashy fields to it, as you can see right there. Also in the reverse. Very nice. And this one came back 63 PL. So very nice coin. All right, move on to something a little bit different than dollars. We got a few Mercury dimes. First up is one of the heavy hitters for the Mercury dimes. This is a 1916D with nice original color to it. And it's a nice full rim coin, which is very hard to find a 16D. Usually the back is worn off like half past the letters of United States of America. But this one's got full letters on it, pretty much a full rim on it, which is very hard to find in a 16D dime. And this one came back as a good 4 from PCGS. So a nice little straight grade key date Mercury dime. Next up, another key date Mercury dime. This is a 1942. And if you look closely, if I can get it on the camera, you can see the one right there. So it's a 1942 over 1 Mercury dime. Nice original color to it on the reverse. And this one came back as PCGS XF45. So very nice. Next one we have is another 1942 over 41. As you can see, we get a close-up view, and you see the one next to that too. And the picture reverse. And as you can see, it looks kind of washed out because, yes, it came back clean, but it was a VEF. And what's nice about these, there's two of them. There's a regular from the Philadelphia Met, a 42 over 41, which normally you can see it pretty plainly without a loop. The one sticking there. The one that's harder to find is a 42 over 41 with a D mint mark on the back. You really have to use the loop to see Mercury dimes with that 42 over 41. But on the Philadelphia Mint, you can see it without a loop pretty much. So, two nice 42 over 41s. And last coin is a Buffalo nickel, which is has very nice original color to it. I was really happy about buying this one raw because it's a nice original Buffalo nickel. Nice little 21S Buffalo nickel. Very nice. And this one, I was hoping for like an XF40, XF45, and I got an XF45 on it. So it's very nice, very happy with the grade on this one. Very sharp coin, and any collector buying this for this grade will be happy with the original color to this coin. Okay, that's it for today. Glad you can join us for me sharing these wonderful coins to you. These will be posted on our website and pretty soon. Some of them I will send to CAC, but the majority of them I will be posting on our website in the next couple of days. Again, always like our videos and subscribe for future videos. We got more stuff coming back from the submission companies, more from NGC, more from PCGS, and more from CAC. And I'll make videos on to share them with you guys. Thank you very much, and hope to see you on the next video.